Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the specific Google form and making sure there are responses to chart. Link responses to a Google Sheet now. This creates the raw data you'll need. Once linked, scan the question types and pick one categorical question for a pie chart. Make sure answer options are consistent, no duplicates or typos, because pie slices reflect exact labels. If you already have a sheet, open it. Otherwise, create a response spreadsheet, then return to select the target question. Once responses are in the sheet, aggregate answers. Either create a pivot table grouping by the question or use unique with COUNTIF to build counts. Next, select the summary table and choose Insert then Chart. Change the chart type to pie. Google will map labels to slices automatically. Then refine. Include labels and percentages, sort slices if needed, and pick contrasting colors. These steps let you control how viewers perceive distribution and emphasize the most important categories. Finish by polishing the chart. Edit the chart title to describe the question and set the legend position for readability. Turn on slice percentages and data labels so viewers get instant insight. Then export. Right-click and download as PNG or SVG, or copy to slides or docs for presentation. If the chart looks wrong, refresh the linked sheet, rebuild the pivot or formula table, and correct spelling variations in answers. This one troubleshooting step solves most pie chart inaccuracies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.